In this video, I'll show you how to disable background apps in Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Now, let's get started. First, you need to open Windows Settings. To do this, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. If you can't find it, simply use the search bar and type Settings, then open the app. Once you're inside Settings, go to the left side menu and click on Apps. At the top, select Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your computer. Now, I'll show you how to stop apps from running in the background. Keep in mind that not every app will have this option. For example, if you click the three dots next to an app like OnePass, you may not see the Advanced Options setting because the app doesn't run background processes. However, if you find an app that supports this feature, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. After it loads, scroll down until you find the Background Apps Permissions section. You'll see an option that says Let this app run in background. From here, you can choose between Always, Power Optimized, or Never. If you don't want the app to run in the background at all, select Never. That's it. You can go back to the installed apps list and repeat the same steps for any other apps you want to manage. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.